Welcome to Grade 5 Science Chapter 4, Our School, a Happy Place. In this module, we'll explore how students can transform their school into a safe, happy, and green environment through active involvement. Imagine a school that's not just a place of learning, but also a safe, happy, and green haven for everyone. That's our vision, and you're a key part of making it happen. What defines a green school? It's a place committed to responsible resource management. This means carefully managing waste, saving water, using electricity wisely, and boosting greenery by planting and caring for trees. You and your classmates can take inspiration and make your school a greener place. To get started, form School Explorer teams like Waste Warrior, Water Watcher, Electricity Saver, Green Guardian, and Safety Manager. And your mission is to explore the school environment, observing current practices and encouraging appropriate corrective actions. Check for leaky taps, lights left on, campus greenery, fire hazards, and even traffic outside the gate. Effective waste management is all about reducing consumption, reusing items, and recycling. Start simple and segregate waste into dry and wet categories. Assign green bins for wet and blue bins for dry waste, for example. Then, educate and inform everyone around, and encourage them to also practice effective waste management. This will help keep our surroundings clean and allow for better waste management. A room's temperature is influenced by its surroundings. Keep classrooms naturally cool by planting shade-giving trees outside and designing with windows for cross breezes. Painting a roof white also helps by reflecting the sun's heat, unlike dark surfaces that absorb it. Water is precious. Even a small dripping tap can waste a significant amount. Be on the lookout for leaks and discuss easy ways to prevent it, like fixing leaks and implementing rainwater harvesting. Trees are vital. They provide shade, clean air, and food and habitat for birds and insects. They also keep our surroundings cool. Why don't you create your own butterfly garden and learn about plants that attract local wildlife? Road safety means following traffic rules and designing clear signboards for the school gate. And fire safety requires knowing fire extinguisher locations, assembly points, and practicing safe fire drills, such as move quickly but calmly, crawl low under smoke, and go straight to the assembly point. Our behavior impacts our environment. Show respect and kindness by waiting your turn, using kind words, helping others, and avoiding littering or teasing. Let's make our school a peaceful and pleasant place for everyone.